It has to show little of your shirt cuff and it has to reflect your wrist. I want to show the 5 things to check out for when you just got in it. So just come with me. All right. The first thing to check out for, just look at the back of the suit. Now this is where we have the suit vent. Now the suit vent is usually closed. All right, so and it's usually good when you open the suit vent. Now, so because I don't like my suit vent being being closed, so I just cut it up this way. Just cut it off this way. That's me. I have cut this part, this first part. Now the second part. Now this is the suit vent. So I come again. Then I cut it again. I cut this part as well. That's it. Now that's all with that. So now this the suit vent is looking very free. It's looking cool. All right. Um, the second thing you have to look out for when you're done with cutting the suit vent, then look out for the tags, the brand tag. The brand tags is what you are cutting next. Just cut it this way. So it's gone. That's all. Voila. Then afterwards, then you look out for the suit sleeve where you have the button. You have this small tag as well. Then you put it this way. Then you cut it. Voila. So then this too is not looking cool, so cool. We can just put this inside. But then you can as well cut it so as well if you don't like it. But then just check out for those the vent, the tag, and the little tag on the sleeve. The second thing you have to look out for after buying a new suit is the fitting. You have to get the suit tailored. I don't care how much money you spend, in getting or purchasing your suit. It has to hold your body in the right places. Now, when this happens, the suit will look very smart on your body. Let's take a look at what I'm wearing. It's very smart. It has to show little of your shirt cuff and it has to reflect your wristwatch and your other accessories. That is very important. So you can give it to your tailor, get a tailor to fit your body mass or proportion. Now the third thing you have to check is the free movement. You have to be able to to move with ease. Check out my vents area, to move with ease, and do some other stuff you want to do. It's very important.